This is a great sequence of 3 postures, yoga for beginners, if you are interested in including some light yoga moves whilst you're on your walk. This is Tadasana, the first one, where you want to have your feet hip width apart. You tuck in your pelvis, and once you feel stable, your shoulders are relaxed, you can raise up on your toes, reach high, and repeat, counting to about 10. You're practicing having a stable foundation and balancing. Reach high again, breathing in. Nice exhale out. Raising your heels off the ground one more time, counting to about 10. Remember to breathe, stay relaxed. Keep your core strong. Reaching high, grateful for the movement of your body. Gently bend forwards. With a slight bend in your knee, you can reach your knees, or you can reach further down to your ankles, rolling back on up. Extending your arms again. And swiftly into plank pose. So I'm here against a bench. You could use a tree. You could be on the ground if you like. Engage your core, keeping alignment. Your gaze is between your hands. You keep your hips lifted and tucked in. Gently stretch it out. Breathing all the while. Rolling back forward to find your plank. Your shoulders are relaxed. Keeping your core engaged. You can extend one leg for an added challenge. Nice inhale and exhale. Finding your plank again, extend the other leg up. Again, these are just options. You could keep both feet on the ground. Breathing. Nice extension for the shoulders. And finishing with a third exercise is to do some nice big arm circles forwards, seeking full expansion. Otherwise, keep your core engaged, breathing, and grateful for this simple series of 3 postures you can do whilst you're out on your walk. Find your original posture of Tadasana and just hold a moment of gratitude for this practice today. Connecting with your breath and the breeze. You did great. Say hello below if you're trying this sequence whilst on your walk. Hi, I'm Laura. I help people live lighter and merrier, taking one intentional step at a time.